friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about two methods of trellising which we are following into our net house. We can add up any type of system for many of the vine crop like cucumber, bottle gourd, sponge gourd, etc. Now here you can see on the right side is a one type of trellis, on the left side is another type of trellis. Here we are going to discuss this trellis in detail. On the left you can see the single line trellis where we have stretched a single major wire on the pole, and then we have tied down all the plant from the bottom to up to the trellis wire in a vertical manner. What we'll do, once the plant reaches to the top of the wire, we'll pinch that plant and the two shoots we'll take out and train them on the horizontal wire. And this is how we'll get the two fruiting shoots, and each shoot will be growing on the horizontally on the wire and keep giving on the fruit. Now in this method we can also grow it to the two stem, so we can cut it at 8 to 12, between 8 to 12 leaf, and then take the two shoots for growing vertically up, and then train either shoot on the either side, and this is how also we can get the good harvest. In another method we have used this net. Now here we have simply tie this net with the help of rope and train the vines directly on this net. Now here it is very simple. We'll just one time hang the vine on the net, and then onwards the vine will take over this net automatically. Here the work is very simple. Here we are not going to follow any of the pruning. Now both of this system have some advantages and some of the limitation. So let us discuss the advantages and limitation of both the system. Now in this single line trellis, here the cost of trellising is very low. You can do it in a very low cost. You need only costing for the one single wire, the main wire, and you can have a thread, simple thread to take the vine to the top of the wire. But here you need to train each of the plant vertically up, and you need to prune all of the side shoots regularly to maintain that clean. So here some of the labor is induced and some regular work is required to get the good yield. But against that, the fruit numbers are less, and you will get the very good quality and size of the fruit on this type of trellis, because the air exchange is also very well. Now talking about the net trellis, in net trellis the labor is very low, as we are not going to do any pruning, any support work, but the initial cost of the net and the wire is high. So initial cost is high, but labor is low. Second, what we'll do, the vine is growing on its natural growth, so it may develop many of the shoots and it is difficult to isolate them. So in this case the vine will grow with many of the subshoots, and it may happen that fruit quality sometimes may compromise a bit. But as we have the B2C client majority, so the little higher or little lower quality of the size does not going to matter much. Second, in this method of the trellising, the air exchange will be little less, so the plant may fall to the diseases or the rotting. But if we keep the clean from the at least bottom, then we can get rid of this easily. So here the both type of trellising method are there, and you can follow either of them based on your condition. So friends, how do you like my two method of trellising the vine crop? Please write me back into the comment. And if you have tried any of them or both of them, then please share the result in the comment, so I will also get know from it. If you are growing the vines on the land, then I advise you that you must make either type of trellis and grow them vertically, so that you will get the better fruit setting, better plant health, and good quality of the fruit. You can also grow many type of vine like cucumber, bottle gourd, sponge gourd, all this in this vine, and get the good yields. So if you don't have prepare any, then prepare one and get advantage of it. Happy growing!